Students, we come to the third question of chapter 1, and the first chapter's name is coordinate equations with one variable. In the earlier videos you have saw that I've solved in application 1.2 question number 1 and 2. So we come to the third question. What is the third question? It says that if 2 by 3 and minus 3, if they are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 7x plus b is equals to 0, then we need to calculate the values of a and b. So firstly, what we do is that we first write the quadratic equation which is given there in the question itself. What is the quadratic equation? It is x square plus 7x plus b is equal to 0. So firstly, if you put the value of x as 2 by 3, since in the question it's given that 2 by 3 and minus 3 are the roots of the quadratic equation. So firstly, if you put 2 by 3 in equation 1, what do we get? A into 2 by 3 whole square plus 7 into 2 by 3 plus b equals to 0. So if we solve this quadratic equation, what do we get? A into 4 by 9 plus 14 by 3 plus b equals to 0. So if we do the LCM of 9 and 3, what do we get? We will get the LCM of 9 and 3 as 9. So in the denominator we get 9. So what do we get? 4a 14 into 3 equals to 42 plus 9b equals to 0. So if you multiply 9 by 0, if you multiply the left hand side denominator 9 into 0 in the right hand side, so what do you get? 4a plus 42 plus 9b, and this is equation number 2. Now, so in the later part, next part, what do? We write the equation once again, which is given there in the question itself, which is x square plus 7x plus b equals to 0. Here we put the root value of the value as 21 minus 9a, which we get as equation number 2. So from here, what can we do is that the value of a. So we are putting the value of b is equals to 21 minus 9a in the equation, which is, what is the equation? The equation is 4a plus 42 plus 9b is equals to 0. So here we are putting the value of b, and after putting the value of b, what do we get? We get 4a plus 42 plus 9 into 21 minus 9a equals to 0. So we will solve this equation. What do we get? We get 4a plus 42 plus 189 minus 81a. Okay, what do we get here? 4a 4a and minus 81a, which equals to minus 77a. And what do we get after adding 189 and 42? We get 9 plus 2 equals to 11, 8 plus 4 12, 130, 231. So if we put the value of 231, if we take the value of 231 to right hand side, what do we get? Equals to minus 231. So there is minus in the right hand side as well as there is minus in the left hand side, so we cancel the minus sign. So how do we get the value of a? A equals to 231 divided by 7. Okay, and after that, what do we get? Which equals to divided by 7, which equals to 3. Okay, so a equals to 3. Okay, so now we need to calculate the value of b using the value of a. So what do we do? Suppose there is an equation. It there's we we got an equation which equals to b is equal to 21 minus 9a. So if we put the value of a here, which equals to 3, what do we get? 21 minus 9 into 3, which equals to what? 21 minus 27. So what do we get the value of b? B equals to minus 6. And previously we calculated a is equals to 3 and b equals to minus 6. These are the values of a and b for the given quadratic equation. Thank you, friends. We come down to the question 4, which says we need to solve the equation. What is the question? The question is 3y square minus 20 equals to 160 minus 2y square. From here we need to calculate the value of y. So what do we get? If since 3y square is in the left hand side, and if we bring minus 2y square to right hand side, which gives 3y square plus 2y square. Okay, and in the right hand side there is 160, and in the left hand side there is minus 20. So if you want to bring 20 to the right hand side, what do we get? 160 plus 20. Okay, so 3y square plus 5y square equals to 3y square plus 2y square equals to 5y square, and 160 plus 20 equals to 180. So y square equals to 180 by 5, and what do we get? 5 into 3, 15, 36. So y square equals to 36. And so since it's y square, in order to find the value of y, what do we get? Y equals to plus minus 6. So this is the value. So after solving the equation, we get the value of y as plus minus 6. Thank you, students. We come to question number 2 of question number 4. So what is the question? The question is 2x plus 1 whole square plus x plus 1 whole square equals to 6x plus 47. So how do we solve this basic equation? Firstly, it is given us 2x plus 1 whole square, which we can identify with a plus b whole square. So what do we get? A is 2x. So if we square it, what do we get? 4x square plus 2 into a, which is 2x, into b, which equals to 1, plus 1 whole square, which equals to 1. And then comes x plus 1 whole square. What do we get? X square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 whole square equals to 6x plus 47. Okay, so what do we get? Now we need to add all the polynomials which are having x square, where the power of x is equals to 2. So which are the terms which are having x square? So underline those specific terms. First is 4x square, then is x square. So what do we get? 4x square plus x square equals to 5x square, plus, now we are at the terms which are having x only, x to the power 1. So which are where the power of the x equals to 1. So what do we get? Here we get 4x, here we get 2x, and the right hand side we get 6x. So 4x plus 2x equals to 6x, and the right hand side we had 6x. So if you bring the 6x to left hand side, what do we get? Minus 6x. After that, plus 1 equals to plus equals to 47. So what do we get? Plus 6 minus 6 are equal, but that signs are different. Signs are opposite, so we can easily cancel 6 and 6. So what are the terms which are remaining there in the equation, which is 5x square plus 2 equals to 47. Here is 1, here is 1. What do we get? 2. And the right hand side we had 6x plus 40 plus 47. The 6 got cancelled, since in the left hand side there was also 6x. So what are the remaining terms? 5x square equals to 47 minus 2. So what do we get? 5x square equals to 45. Okay, so what is x square? Equals to 9, and since x square is equal to 3, so the x will be plus minus 3. So this is the answer of the above equation, where which says the answer is x equals to plus minus 3.